Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of the city of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. So on the left is Drewsland and on the right is Marvelly. Two very popular areas in Jamaica. Now you have a lot of residential communities off Washington Boulevard. And actually, when we go on to Spanish Town Road, you have a lot more communities. So this area, Kingston, is very populated. Now they had plans to re-engineer and redesign Washington Boulevard, because basically this is the main road out of Kingston, and they want to fix the, I guess you could say, the aesthetics. According to the government, you don't get the feeling that you're driving into or out of the main city in Kingston. But to date, we haven't heard anything about the project starting, but we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with it. So on the right now is where you turn to go to Pembroke Hall, and on the left is Dairy Industries. That's where they make tasty cheese. Now, for this road, it's 6 lanes, but it definitely needs to be upgraded, like paved and modernized, basically. Because this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. This road takes you, this is Washington Boulevard, it takes you to Spanish Town Road, and it also takes you to Mandela Highway. So if you're leaving the city of Kingston, going to Portmore, Spanish Town, chances are you're going to either take Mandela or Spanish Town Road. Sorry, you're going to take Washington Boulevard to Mandela Highway, or you're going to take Spanish Town Road to Mandela Highway. Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and Washington Boulevard is one of the roads that take you to Mandela Highway. So the city of Kingston has the largest population in Jamaica, 1 million people. And then the second and third most populated areas in Jamaica are Spanish Town and Portmore. So this area between the city of Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town has more than half the population of Jamaica. And Jamaica's population is 3 million. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and you see the traffic on the other side of the road. That traffic on the other side is traffic going into the city of Kingston, and we are on this side heading out of the city towards Portmore. So the communities in this area are massive, huge communities, and you have the plazas to support those communities. So on the right is the Doheny Park Plaza. If we turn left here, we're going to Corville Gardens, and if we turn right, we're going to Doheny Park. And Doheny Park is one of the largest communities in Jamaica. Look at the traffic on the right going into the city of Kingston. That's the traffic coming from Portmore and Spanish Town. And as we said earlier, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Now it's high time that they expand this road. Something has to be done because it's a lot of traffic. Alright, so we turn left here now. That takes us on to Spanish Town Road. That traffic on the right is the traffic coming off of Mandela. This is a City of Kingston sign, Kingston 150 years. So we're now going on to Mandela Highway, and this is the busiest road in Jamaica now. Because on the right, where you see, well, you haven't, the traffic from Spanish Town Road merges onto Mandela, right where we just passed, and the traffic from Washington Boulevard comes on to Mandela. So this is the busiest road in Jamaica. And we actually did a video earlier this month saying that this road should be expanded to 8 lanes. Because look at the traffic going into the city of Kingston. It's the same traffic you have to contend with in the evening on this side. So there is a complex on the right, and you'd use that overhead bridge to access it. It's, I think, the 876 complex, but a lot of warehouses over there, and I think the largest warehouse in Jamaica is over there. Alright, so we're now coming up to the Fesco and Mandela Highway, and this is the busiest gas station in Jamaica, which makes sense because Mandela is the busiest road in Jamaica, so naturally this gas station would have a lot of traffic using it. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.